we're squirting it in. Because you don't want to suck it. That's so good. Mom squirted again. Oh, uh-oh. I hope you're not... You know how I said we don't have an aversion? Hopefully we don't. You gotta suck it back. Okay, you do it. Oh, you'll get so much more. So much faster. Look at suck, 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 suck.
Sorry, Auntie.
You can do it. Okay. Okay, here you go. Squirt. Oh, there you go. Okay, you need to... Do you want to try it yourself? It's so good. That's good. Suck it down. Okay, you try it now. Okay, suck. You'll get more if you do it yourself, honey. You'll get more. Let me help you with this. No, you don't want to do it, do you? Uh-oh. Okay. We'll get it in here and then try something new. Oh, we're making a big mess. Okay. I don't know what that means. Let's go ask your nurse.
I'm sorry, Monkey.
On the phone.